Air is all around us. We need air to live. All human beings, animals, and even plants need air to live. Birds fly because there is air. Air has some special properties. We cannot see air. Look around yourself. Can you see the air? No. But the air is present all around us. We cannot smell the air. We cannot taste the air. But we can feel the air. Air is used to move things like kite, helicopter, sailboat, and windmill. We need air to burn something. Air is a mixture of gases, water vapor, and dust particles. Nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, and some of the gases present in air. Nitrogen is the largest component of air. It makes up 78% of air around us. It is used by plants to make protein. Plants cannot take nitrogen directly from the air. Some nitrogen-fixing bacteria live in soil. They help in nitrogen fixation in soil. Therefore, plants are able to take nitrogenous compounds from the soil. Oxygen is the second largest component of air. Oxygen makes 20% of the air around us. It is used by living beings for respiration. After respiration, the living beings produce carbon dioxide. The remaining 2% of air is composed of carbon dioxide, many other gases, water vapor, and dust particles. Carbon dioxide is also important for living beings. Plants need carbon dioxide to make food during photosynthesis. During photosynthesis, plants take in carbon dioxide and release oxygen. Thus, green plants help in maintaining the balance of carbon dioxide and oxygen in atmosphere. Air is also present in water. Aquatic animals breathe the air which remains dissolved in water. Do you know, when water is boiled, air bubbles can be seen coming up from the bottom of the pan? This simple activity can show that air is also present in water. Moving air is called wind. We need wind for flying kites, to rotate a windmill, to sail boats, to dry up clothes, and many more. Wind moves in different speed at different times. The wind blows in a direction. When wind moves slowly, it is called breeze. When wind moves fast, then it is called a storm. Always remember to keep a handkerchief on your mouth when you sneeze or cough, because when you do so, you release germs from your mouth in the air, which can make people around you fall sick. We must breathe in the fresh air. Sometimes air is dirty or contains dust and smoke. Breathing such air can make us ill. Do you know we should not burn the garbage or dry leaves, because the tiny particles contained in smoke from burning leaves can accumulate the lungs and stay there for years. These particles can increase the risk of respiratory infection as well as reduce the amount of air reaching the lungs. Do not cover your face when you sleep. To get fresh air, spend the time in open spaces. Children play in park. Go for a morning walk daily. At last, we need air to live. We must keep it clean. For that, please do not cut the trees. We have to plant more trees around us. Trees make the air fresh and clean.